Sai Ram and welcome to Prashanti Chronicles. We are at one of the most serene, sublime and spiritually uplifting places of Puttaparthi. Even though this place is outside the Prashanti Nilayam ashram, the moment you step in here, you feel you have entered the ashram all over again. You can listen to the beautiful chirping of the birds. This place surrounded by lovely sands, gentle breeze, flowers and trees. This is the holy site where the divine parents of Bhagwan, Pedda Venkaparaju and Mother Ishwaramma reside. It was in the early morning hours of May 6, 1972. Suddenly, Mother Ishwaramma calls out to Bhagwan, Swami, Swami, and Swami from upstairs responds saying, I am coming, and he comes down with a silk sari in his hand. Bhagwan goes straight to Mother Ishwaramma. Venkamma Garu, the elder daughter of Mother Ishwaramma, was there by her side. Swami tells her she attained what she always prayed for, a painless Passover. She is extremely fortunate. Bhagwan then draped her body with silk cloth, even as Kamavadhani Garu, the Vedic scholar, was there chanting Vedic hymns. Professor Kasturi, the author of The Chosen Mother, likens the call of Mother Ishwaramma to that of Gajendra calling out to Lord Vishnu, and the Lord immediately responding. It is like two wires connecting in that split second and the release happening simultaneously. Mother Ishwaramma is revered, adored and worshipped the world over, not just because of the matchless fortune she had of mothering the divine, but because of the matchless thing she achieved with the opportunity she was blessed with. At the root of all the social welfare initiatives of the Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust, be it the schools, the hospitals and the colleges, it was her sincere prayer to Bhagwan to establish them. Her heart melted at the misery of the rural folk around. In fact, she was the happiest when the construction of the Sri Sathya Sai General Hospital began. She herself would join the women devotees hauling sand, stone and bricks up to the construction site. She would go into the homes of the villagers, take the women patients to the doctor in the hospital, advise them not to go to the local quacks, and once they were admitted, she would be there with them till they recovered, so that they know that there is a mother in this village who cares for them, who is deeply interested in their health, in their happiness, in their welfare. There are any number of instances when Mother Ishwaramma, unable to bear the suffering of a devotee, went to Bhagwan and pleaded on the devotee's behalf. There was this couple from West Godavari who had come to Puttaparthi with a sick child. They stayed in Prashanti Nilayam for 7 days seeking Bhagwan's audience. They could not get that opportunity and they were leaving crestfallen. At that moment, Mother Ishwaramma sees them, and when she hears their plight, she takes that little child by her hand straight to Swami's room and pleads, Swami, you have to do something for this child. Swami hears her prayer very patiently and simply says, Chustanu, I will see. But Mother Ishwaramma says, no Swami, you have to cure the child. And Swami gives in to her prayer and heals the child. The prayer of a mother never goes unfulfilled. But imagine the prayer of the Divine Mother. That is why our prayers to her are important. Her blessings for us are potent. Perhaps it is to cultivate in us this sense of reverence, this sense of gratitude and love for the Divine Mother that Swami himself used to come to this shrine every year on Ishwaramma Day. In May 2010, when Bhagwan was here, it was a very, very touching sight. And Brother Arvind Sai, who is here with us now, he was very much inside this shrine, this altar when Bhagwan came in. Brother, you recall that moving scene?
Sai Ram Vishu, indeed it's a great opportunity to be back here, seeking Mother's blessings. I vividly remember being here on 6th May 2010. We are all doing bhajans there outside, just outside Samadhi. And Swami was inside doing the rituals. There was a ritual going on here. And suddenly Swami called for both of us, me and my Burakada partner, and asked us to sing two of the beautiful songs which he liked the most from the Burakada presentation, which was performed on Ishwaramma. So I just want to sing that
Please.
beautiful padyam. It goes like this. Ratnakara Vamshapu Rajamata Samataku Mamataku Punadivesina Punita Nitiki Seva Niratiki Nilachina Navyagita Madaru Terisanu Maripinchina Daivamata Nidurinchina Bhaktiki Tolikodi Kuta Mahilamani Lokaniki Bhagavad Gita Ninuganna Pudami Talliki Sannihita Ratnakara Vamshapu Rajamata And the meaning also is so beautiful, Vishu. I just wanted to tell.
Please.
Ratnakara Vamshapu Rajamata. Here the poet says that she is the crest jewel of Ratnakara clan.
Wow.
And Samataku Mamataku Punadivesina Punita, which means that she stood for compassion and unity.
Wow.
Nitiki Seva Niratiki Nilachina Navyagita, she stood for morality in society. Seva Niratiki, for service. Nidurinchina Bhaktiki Toli Kodikuta, the devotion which is there in devotees, which is in slumber, she is the one, she awakens the devotion in everyone.
Wow.
And again it goes Ratnakara Vamshapu Rajamata. So this is a beautiful padyam which Swami liked. And there is another song I remember which Swami asked us to sing right here. It just goes like this. I'll just sing two lines of it.
Please.
Yenta goppa intivamma sadviro ishwaramma Yenta goppa intivamma sadviro ishwaramma Yavaru saati leru neeku Jagatilona Devudamma Yavaru saati leru neeku Jagatilona Devudamma Yenta goppa intivamma Sadviro Ishwaramma. These two songs and many more compositions or dramas, whenever staged in front of Bhagavan, I always felt that Swami is trying to drive home the lesson, saying that one should have that kind of a devotion, compassion and love for one's mother.
Yeah.
You know, even in discourses when we hear Bhagavan saying about mother,
Yes.
it is not that he's telling, it is about Ishwaramma or it's about when Swami narrates about Gandhiji's mother. It is each one of us
Absolutely.
should have that fervor and that love for mother, and
Absolutely.
that through his life he showed all this to all of us.
In fact, I think we have seen any number of occasions when the very mention of the word Ishwaramma, that would overwhelm Swami's eyes. It could be in a discourse and an interaction in a bhajan, but the very word Ishwaramma, you should see what it does to Bhagwan's heart.
It moves him a lot.
It moves him. And I think that is what Bhagwan wants us to cultivate, isn't it?
Very true.
The very mention of the word mother should melt our heart.
Very true, brother.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you, brother.
In 2010, Bhagwan was physically 85 years old, but Swami insisted on coming inside and he personally gave the sari to be adorned on the Divine Mother. In fact, these two statues were installed in that year. Come to think of it, it was on the very last visit of Bhagwan to this shrine the last trip in his physical form, that Bhagwan blessed us with these two statues. A sculptor from Jaipur carved these beautiful images, and when they came to Prasanthi Nilayam, Swami was so ecstatic looking at these images that Swami kept these two idols in his residence in Yajur Mandir for over a month. Every day when Bhagwan came out of his room, Swami would always look at the statues. He would be so happy. Sometimes the boys who were serving Bhagwan would decorate the statues with flowers, and Swami would say, "Look at the mother. Doesn't she look beautiful?" And then Swami would go behind her and look at the way her hair is braided, and Swami would say, "See how neatly she has braided her hair." Swami would see the earrings and say, "See how splendid those earrings look." That was the joy of Bhagwan, looking at the Divine Mother. In fact, Bhagwan, who is beyond time, beyond relationships, was telling us how powerful and sweet and deep this connection with the Mother should be. Whoever one may be, whoever he or she may be, our connection with our Mother should be primordial in our lives. And that is what Bhagwan lived, demonstrated and showed us in every single act of his earthly sojourn. In fact, this space is a lovely spiritual sanctuary. You have beautiful statues of Lord Krishna and Lord Dattatreya. And what to talk about the lofty, tall coconut trees and the lovely breeze which is there all throughout the day. Next time you are in Prasanthi Nilayam, don't miss to come into this space and seek the blessings of the ones who are unmistakably the chosen ones. Souls born for the birth of the Lord, souls born to show us how we should emancipate our lives on this earth. Thank you.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाचेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पुरुषस्य विद्मः सहस्राक्षस्य महादेवस्य धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे चक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे सुवर्णपाक्षाय धीमहि तन्नो गरुडः प्रचोदयात्। वेदात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात् वज्रनकाय विद्महे तीक्ष्णदंष्ट्राय धीमहि तन्नो नरसिंहः प्रचोदयात् भास्कराय विद्महे महायुतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात् वैश्वानराय विद्महे लालीलाय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः मेधा देवी जुषमाना न आगात् विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदते सुवीरा त्वया जुस्ता ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व रविनो न मेदे मेदाम इन्द्रो ददातु मेदां देवी सरस्वती मेदामे अश्विनः उभावा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः देवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रदीका जुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः नीला देवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये गृह्णाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वतिरन्तिरासानो अस्तु ध्रुवादृशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषाना सहसोया मनोतान् बृहस्पतिर्मातरि सोतवायुः सन्दुवानावाता अभिनो गृह्णतु विस्तम्भो दिवो दरुणपृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नी ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महेश्वराः गणेशा गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश 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 जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। लंबोदर गौरी सुत जय गणेश पाहि मां। लंबोदर गौरी सुत जय गणेश पाहि मां। मंगल कर संकट हर जय गणेश रक्ष मां। मंगल कर संकट हर जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। लंबोदर गौरी सुत जय गणेश पाहि मां। मंगल कर संकट हर जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां। जय गणेश पाहि मां श्री गणेश रक्ष मां।
दया करो हरि नारायणा। दया करो हरि नारायणा। करुणा सागर नारायणा। पंकजनयना पल्लवशयना जय 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 हे मधुसूदना जय 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 हे मधुसूदना जय वृंदावन मनमोहना जय वृंदावन मनमोहना जय 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 हे मधुसूदना सुंदर साई शिरडी विहारी सुंदर साई पति विहारी सुंदर साई शिरडी विहारी सुंदर साई पति विहारी राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम राधे श्याम 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 जय 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 हे मधुसूदना जय वृंदावन मनमोहना जय 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 मधुसूदना कैलासनाथा नमो गंगोत्रीवासा श्री साईनाथा गंगोत्रीवासा श्री साईनाथा ओम नमः शिवाय
भजो मन गोविंद गोपाला भजो मन गोविंद गोपाला गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला भजो मन गोविंद गोपाला गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला भजो मन गोविंद गोपाला गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला भजो मन गोविंद गोपाला गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला गोविंद गोपाला गोपाला भजो मन गोविंद गोपाला
देवी लक्ष्मी मां पाहि देवी लक्ष्मी मां पाहि दीन दया करि मां पाहि दीन दया करि मां पाहि तेरा विघ्न ये मां पाहि तेरा विघ्न ये मां पाहि सर्वमंगल मां पाहि सर्वमंगल मां पाहि देवी लक्ष्मी मां पाहि दीन दया करि मां पाहि तेरा विघ्न ये मां पाहि सर्वमंगल मां पाहि जय 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 जगदम्बे जय 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 माताम्बे माताम्बे जय 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 माताम्बे 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 देवी लक्ष्मी मां पाहि बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय 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 बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय झूठ जटा में गंगा धारी झूठ जटा में गंगा धारी त्रिशूल धारी धमरू बजावे त्रिशूल धारी धमरू बजावे धम 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 धमरू बजा धम 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 धमरू बजा दूता ओम नमः शिवाय दूता ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब में बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब में बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय झूठ जटा में गंगा धारी त्रिशूल धारी धमरू बजावे धम 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 धमरू बजा दूता ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय ओम शांति 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 ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि
यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. Consider all as your brothers and sisters. You need not share your property with them. However, whomsoever you come across, talk to them nicely and love them wholeheartedly. God is the embodiment of love. He protects entire mankind by His love. If only there is love in you, that's enough. Then all of you will become united. You should not create distance between one another by your talk or conduct. Draw everybody close to you with love. Then all of you will attain proximity of God. When you look at others with love, God will also look at you with love. In whatever situation you may be, never show anger, jealousy, hypocrisy, or pomp. Do not treat others with anger or hatred. By experiencing your love, love in others will also increase. When you treat others with love, they will also shower love towards you. On the other hand, if you show anger towards them, they will also behave angrily with you. Jai Sai Ram. Now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वरा। ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।